I don't really know how to start a part 2 video, so I'm gonna just jump right into it. These are the skincare Gratis that I got. It's all in this little bag right here. And I'll start off. Some of these things I am using as of right now, like the Drunk Elephant C-Firm Day Serum. Absolutely love this. It's supposed to be brightening. It has 15% ascorbic acid, which is supposed to help lighten the skin. Not in a bad way, you know, because I feel like most people really think that like lightening your skin means taking out the melanin you might have. That is not the case. It just means that it brightens it up. That's it. The next thing I got was the Skin Effects Barrier Plus Lipid Peptide Cream. It reminds me so much of the Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Cream. It is so rich, but it just leaves my skin feeling super moisturized. I actually really like this moisturizer. I've been looking for a new one, and like, you know, the Drunk Elephant one is pretty pricey. I don't know how much this one is, but it's really good. It's good. It's up there. I also got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Juice Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'm okay with it. Like, I feel like the watermelon mask peeled all over my face, and I didn't like that. But I'm willing to give this one a try. I also got the Kiehl's. This is actually new. The Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. So this is a really good summer moisturizer because it's going to be lightweight and absorb pretty quickly. I'm going to see what it smells like. It smells good. It smells like it has lemon in it, which I don't know if I'm right on it. But it definitely smells like it has lemon in here. I'm willing to try that as well. I got Replica's, one of Replica's, you know, best-selling fragrances. It's Beach Walk, but this is the shower gel. So let's see what it smells like. I think it's one of the, like, it definitely belongs in the clean family. Like, the scent is very clean. So if you like stuff that smells like that, I'd go for this. It smells good. I don't really like shower gels though. I just feel like they leave me feeling slimy, but that just might be me. I am willing to try that though, so we'll see. I got the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I've heard so much about this, and I'm hoping that it is as good as the hype makes it seem it is, because then I'm even that much more excited to have it. Another thing from Kiehl's I got was the Calendula Toner. I've been looking for another toner as well. I've been using the Origins Glycolic Acid Toner, and it's doing okay, but like I feel like my skin's getting used to it, so I'm looking for something to switch, and this might become my new go-to toner. I also got Clinique's new Clinique ID. So this is just, you can pick what kind of moisturizer you want. So if you're oily, if you are dry and you want something more of a rich consistency, you can pick that moisturizer. And then depending on your skincare concern, you can pick a cartridge that is potent, that is supposed to go into your moisturizer to give a 10 to 90% ratio, 10% of this cartridge to 90% of your moisturizer. And this is supposed to help with whatever skincare concerns that you have. I absolutely love the idea of this. I have not tried it yet, but I do like Clinique's moisturizers, so I'm hoping that this won't disappoint. I don't remember which one I picked. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember which one this one does. I think it's like, oh yeah, it's right here, uneven skin tone. So I feel like my skin complexion is not even all over, so this is supposed to help rectify that. We'll see if it actually works though. I also got a charcoal mask from Sephora collection, some 8 greens supplements. It's supposed to have 8 greens that are supposed to give you the nutrients that you need every day. Spinach, wheatgrass, kale, blue-green algae, spirulina, and chlorella, barley, and aloe vera. So I don't know if I want to taste this or not. Like, Like, I don't know if I want to taste these or not, but I did get 4 samples of them. And I think it's just, yeah. So it's a tablet that you kind of just put into a glass of water and then drink every day. I might try it, you know, when I'm trying to feel healthy. I got Sephora Collection's new moisturizer. It's a hyaluronic acid based moisturizer. I absolutely love hyaluronic acid, so I'm super excited to try this because I just need moisturizers with hyaluronic acid. I need plump, supple skin at all times. Lancome's new Defense 50 sunscreen. I absolutely love this because you can double this up as a primer. It is a great base to put your foundation on. I've already sampled this and I absolutely love it. I do recommend it 100%. Also got Dr. Brandt's mattifying hydrator. So again, a perfect moisturizer for oily gals that need a moisturizer in the summertime, because people are under the impression that you do not need to moisturize if you're oily, and that is 100% false. So Dr. Brandt's Pores No More mattifying hydrator is a good a good moisturizer to use in the summertime. And then I also got from Biossance the squalene and vitamin rose oil, as well as the squalene tea tree balancing oil. I love face oils, so I'm excited to try these. The squalene is something that is found in shark's livers, but Biossance is a clean vegan brand, so you can get this from plants as well, and this one was derived from plants. Also got Drunk Elephant's I don't know how to pronounce this, but whatever. It's their new retinol cream. I heard really good things about it. Only thing is you need to use a very small amount because it's so potent that you will notice peeling of the skin. So definitely use a small amount of this if you are going to try this. But I want to use this. I feel like my skin is acting up right now, and I think maybe if I just peel all of it away and start fresh, like, I can train my skin to behave. Like, behave. And then the last 3 things that I got was the Pharmacy Honey Grail. It's the ultra hydrating face oil. Again, face oils are my favorites, so I'm always looking for new ones to try. I also got the Dr. Dennis Gross IPL Dark Spot Correcting Serum. I've actually been using this, and I do see a difference in the acne scars that I have down here. So it's doing the job, and I've got like 4 of these things now, so I'll be using that for the next however long. And the last thing that I got was the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oats Dry Oil. So it's not supposed to leave your hand all oily and, you know, slimy. It's supposed to dry up pretty fast. And they weren't lying. Like, it's not oily. So again, excited to try new face oils. And that, guys, is the end of my Gratis haul. If you guys liked videos like this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, tell me what you guys want to see more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video.